Hello everyone. Now I am going to talk the topic about what is QR decomposition. QR decomposition factorizes matrix into product of orthogonal matrix and the upper triangular matrix. The orthogonal matrix, a square matrix, post column and the orthonormal vectors. This means a column and mutually perpendicular and have a length of 1. Upper triangular matrix, a matrix where all the entries below the main diagonal are 0. What is the keyword decomposition important? Keyword decomposition is a cornerstone of modern numerical methods, providing stability and efficiency for complex problems. Solving least square problem essential for data fitting, regression, the analysis, and finding approximate solution to over-determined systems. Keyword decomposition offers a numerically stable approach compared to normal equations. Eigenvalue composition QR algorithm. The iterative QR algorithm is one of the most reliable methods for calculating the eigenvalues, vectors, matrix inversion and determinants. While not the primary use, the decomposition can simplify the calculation for the determinant. Graham-Smith orthogonalization, the classic approach. The Graham-Smith process is the conceptual method for constructing the orthogonal matrix. The first column of Q is found by normalizing the first column of A. Projection and subtraction. Subsequent columns of A are projected onto the previously found orthogonal vectors. Renormalization. The resulting vector is normalized to become the next column of Q. Householders reconnections, a more stable method. Creating zero symmetrically, a householder reflector is an orthogonal matrix P designed to reflect a vector, a standard 6 vector. This effectively zeroes out specific entries below diagonal. Iterative transformation. The process involves a sequence of reflections, each reduced matrix. Given rotations for zeroing. Planar rotation. A given rotation is a 2x2 rotation matrix embedded within larger entity matrix. It is designed to introduce rotation in specific 2D plane with the larger space. Understanding the algorithm step-by-step examples. Comparing the conceptual complexity and the conceptual flow of the three main methods. Graham-Smith, householder reflection, given rotations. Practical application from data science to signal processing, machine learning, financial modeling, and telecommunications. Key takeaways and further explorations. Foundation, stability, application, flexibility are the key takeaways and further exploration of the keyword decomposition matrix. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now I am going to talk the topic about